Hey guys, we're gonna do a daytime firework here. Parachute daylight item. I know that this one shoots up a parachute and then it's followed down by a couple streamers, I believe. Yeah, parachute with streamers. I think it goes a lot higher than 15 too, but we'll see. Shoots out a pretty big shell. You gotta watch out for these ones. When they go up in the air, you gotta keep your eye on them. I had one launch right back at me, but we'll see how this one goes.
Chute didn't open. Failed. He died.
Oh, the chute didn't open. So my mom grew this little tiny squash. Not big enough to do anything with. But I got this firework shell. We're gonna see what happens. Alrighty. God, blew up everywhere. There's nothing left.